Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with BSK. So in previous session, we have discussed load balancer topic and Azure Traffic Manager, a DNS based traffic load balancer, and also we have discussed Azure Application Gateway Azure standard load balancer as well. We have discussed. So in load balancer topic, we have one more pending load balancer is Azure Friendor. So before, as of now, we have shown, I have shown like how traffic routed using virtual machines, right? So in Vendor, I will show you how traffic. We can use app service, and backend we can use app service, and we can distribute the traffic. So before going to Vendor, we can discuss what is Azure App Service. Okay, let's talk about Azure App Service. Azure App Service. Okay. So in today's video, so we are going to learn about Azure App Service, one of the most popular platform as a service offering in Microsoft Azure. Okay, it is a PaaS service. Okay, and traditionally in virtual machines, right? When we are hosting application, so we need to manage virtual machines, operating system, patching, scaling, and maintenance. These things and all we used to manage. But in app service, we are going to eliminate these operations challenges and allows developer to focus purely on building and deploying applications. Okay. So with Azure App Service, we can able to host web applications like host web applications and also like deploy APIs. Okay, and also we can automatically scale applications, and also we can enable CI/CD, and also like we can able to monitor application performance, and also we can reduce infrastructure. Okay, infrastructure management. Infra management. Okay, these are all things we can able to manage by using Azure App Service. Okay, we can automatically scale applications. Okay, we can able to use here auto scaling capability will be there. We can able to manage, we can able to utilize that as well. Okay, in this hands-on demo, what we're going to create is Azure App Service, and also we can deploy a sample web application, and also like we can explore like app service plans, and also like understand how Azure manages the underlying infrastructure for us, and also like by the end of this video, so you will understand why Azure App Service is widely used for hosting modern web applications and APIs in the cloud. Okay, okay, let's get started and we can go through more about App Service. Okay, usually in IaaS, right? In IaaS model, what we can do, there will be one VM will be there. Okay, one VM will be there. On top of it, we have subnet will be there. On top of it, we have virtual network. On top of it, we have RG will be there. So this is IaaS model. Okay, IaaS model. What we are going to do here, we have RG we need to create, and VNet and subnet, and on this we have VM. Okay, so by using IaaS service, we need to create virtual network, subnet, and VM. These all things we need to manage. But by using PaaS service, okay, in the PaaS service, we can directly able to create app service under RG. Okay, RG, and we can host app service. We can able to host app service here. Okay, so this is about PaaS service. Under here, we can able to like write our dev stack, okay, core stack, like whether it is Java 21 or like .NET or like ASP.NET, and also like we have Python. So we can able to write this any type of technology stack or core stack it's able to support by using app service. Okay, and we have code is in GitHub. We can directly integrate using GitHub as well, and we can able to support CI/CD and the GitHub Actions, Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions. It is going to support by using app service as well. Okay, so by using this demo, what I am going to create, I am using one bakery template that is supported with ASP.NET 4.8, and there I am going to use I'm going to deploy that application into app service, and I will go to the show you the output, and also here we can minimize the downtime as well. Okay, so by using app service will support blue green deployment. Okay, blue green deployment will support. By using this, we can minimize the downtime, zero downtime we can able to achieve it. How we can use blue green deployment? We can able to utilize the slots. Deployment slots will be there in app service. By using deployment slots, we can able to manage blue green deployment as well. Okay, and also let me show you what exactly I am going to perform by using this demo. Okay, let me let's write here itself. Okay, what I will go here, my code is in GitHub. Okay, my code is in GitHub repository, and I have main code will be there. Main code is here. Okay, and I have feature code will be here, and I have versions will be there. First version I will deploy into prod slot. Okay, first version. Okay, here I will what I will do. First version, and this is second version, and let me connect these things. Okay, blue green deployment we are going to discuss now. Okay, here the code is in GitHub repository. Okay, GitHub main, then I will create one release branch here. Okay, release version v1. Okay, release v1 I will create here. By using this, I will create one clone here, release version 2. Okay, I will deploy this into a prod slot. Main slot I will create deploy. Okay, main slot or prod slot. Then I will create one more slot here. Okay, then this one I will call as prod slot. Okay, prod slot I will call this one. Okay, after what I will going to perform, very first whatever the code I have developed, that is version 1 branch, I will deploy into one slot. Okay, before I will not show you the any slots. Okay, first I will deploy directly in app service, then I will introduce slotting concept, and I will show you in the practical we can able to understand how what I'm going to perform. Okay, one slot I will going to create in one version, another feature slot or feature version I will going to deploy in another slot, and I will go to swap these two. Okay, I am going to swap these two, then without downtime we are going to like manage. Okay, I will swap this one. Okay, I will going to swap this one, and we'll see what will happen. Okay, let's jump into the portal and let's create app service. Okay, here let me create app service. Click on it. Here web app will be there. Click on that one and you can select your subscription and resource group you can create. I will call this one app org 01. Okay, 012. Okay, click on OK. Then I will call this name as Tech with BSK. Then my code will run on ASP.NET 4.8 and region I will select here Central India or Central India is fine for me. Then we can create app service plan. Okay, otherwise you can create new, otherwise it will pick up the existing one, and pricing plan will be here. You can explore more about this one. Okay, you can click on this explore plans. You can able to see whatever plan you require as per your application. You can select it. Okay, here in free trial there is it will not support any deployment slots, so we have to use at least a standard version. Okay, standard version S1 you have to select. There you can select up to like 12 slots, or we can able to select it. Okay, here this is one I have selected. This one is fine for me. Okay, in your case you can select standard S1. If you are using free trial, maybe in free trial this options will not show you, only basic version you can able to use it. Okay, let me show you what exactly. Then zone redundancy is not required for me. These are the basic things. Okay, these database deployments, networking, in future sessions we can discuss. Their endpoints will be there, so private endpoints and service endpoint concept will be there. That time we can discuss more about that networking concept and in app service. Okay, let's create. If you want to create, let's take a while. You can click on create. This is my package template. Okay, code. Here I have the main branch. First I will create one branch here on top of main branch. Okay, we can call this one release version 1. I will call this one. Okay, I will just click create. Okay, we have created release version v1. We are going to deploy version 1 code into app service. Then we can enter two slots and we can see how we can deploy. Users can able to access latest versions by using slots without downtime. Okay, let's see. Let's see the resource where it is. Still it is creating. This report link and everything I will post in my YouTube channel, so you can able to access that. You can able to grow 4K TO from your end and you can able to utilize it. Okay. Okay, it is running. Okay, click on this. We can able to use auto scaling also. It will going to support. Okay, minimum instance and maximum instance we can able to use in the app service plan. You can able to use and we can manage that as well. Okay, by this demo purpose I'm not created that one. Okay, go to deployment center. Here in app service we have this number of items will be there overview where you can see all the things what we have created, and we can able to show these all things here. Okay, and also activity logs, what is going to perform, it is going to show it here, and whether it is created or like running, change anything, you can able to see it here. And by using access control, where you can manage our access things, what access, what role is required as per the project or user, we can able to grant those access. And by using tags, which team this tag is like, it is going to like which team it is going to own it, who is the owner of this app service, and where, and also which team is utilizing. Those all things we can able to provide here. And we can defend it for cloud, it is security purpose, any firewall attack, everything we can able to launch this one. And even this preview is showing here. And here the resource visualizer, so how it will be like shown, we can able to see it here, the tree of the path. Okay, so we can able to visualize, we can able to see this resource. Okay, then after that we have like a deployment slot. See here under app service we have apps insights, and apps plan will be there. So these all things we can able to see by using resource visualizer. Under deployment slots, as of now we are not enabled deployment slots. Very first we can by using deployment center, we can able to like deploy our code, and then after that we can able to like create our slots. Okay, you are now in production slot, which is not recommended for setting CI/CD pipelines. Let it be for demo purpose, it's fine for us. And let's select our code. Okay, code is in GitHub, it is going to support CI/CD as well. Okay, as of now I'm not creating any CI/CD. Later sessions we are going to show that one. GitHub we can select, and your code is in GitHub, and we are not using GitHub Access here. So GitHub build provider is app service build service. This is okay, fine. Very first we are going to enable this one. Okay, we have to enable here by using this enable option. We can just check in this one. Okay, apply SCM basic or public credentials, we have to enable that one. Then you can go to deployment center, and again you can select your GitHub and all, GitHub. And after that we can change the provider. This time we will not get that error, app service build service. Okay, then you can select this one. We have to enable from your end, because I have already enabled from my account. So very first time if you launch, maybe it will ask you sign in. You can able to sign in that your account, your GitHub account. Okay, then select an organization, get a security based organization. Select your repository. My repository is bakery template. Okay, here the branch is, I will select release branch version 1. Okay, this is the version we are going to like deploy in the production. Okay, then click on save it. As soon as you have save it, it is going to like deploy this code into app service. Okay, once this one is complete, we can see the logs here. Under logs we can see the what exactly is going on. We can see here whether it is successful or failed, everything will go to show it here. Okay, then click on refresh. Okay, it is succeeded. Okay, you can go overview. Here overview, you can select your endpoint. App default endpoint will be there. Okay, default domain you can select it, you can copy, and you can check it here. Okay, click, just enter. It will take while to load. Let's wait for it. Usually we will not able to use this endpoint as per our normal production environments. Okay, we can host, we can create one DNS. On DNS we can able to integrate this with DNS, and you can select. Okay, so what we are going to get it here, some battery template, how many like this all visualization, you can see it here. What I'm going to next, I'm going to perform here. Here about us is there, right? Here I will update this title in another version. Okay, let's see. This title version I'm going to enable, and will create one more release branch, and we can able to like deploy that into the app service without downtime. Let's see how it will going to perform. Let's go into HTML, about the HTML. Here we can update this one. Here little is this is there, right? Little bit about fourth coffee is there, right? Here I will change this one. This is latest version This is latest version. I will enter. Okay, this is my latest one. Okay, what I'm going to create, I will not create it here in this branch. Okay, I will create one more branch on top of release branch. Usually this release branch, once changes are complete, we can merge into main branch. From main branch only we can create the latest branch. Okay, we can raise a PR and we can complete the PR, and all the updated code will be available in the main branch. Okay, from main branch I will go again. From main branch I will create one more branch again. Release version 2. We can create a branch here itself, or else you can go branches and you can create there also. That's fine. Okay. Release version 2. I will create here. This is my release version 2. I will click on edit. Here I will change this one to, this is demo coffee. Okay. Let's comment the changes in the version 2 branch. Okay. In the version 2 branch we're going to create it, right? So users, still users are getting a little bit about fourth coffee only, message only coming. Okay, as of now we have created our new branch, and we have there is a new release is going to happen. That is the latest changes we are going to like publish in the production, and we don't want to downtime. Okay, that time we are going to like go to deployment slots. Okay, here deployment slots. As of now we don't have any slots. Okay, let's add one. So let's wait, it is going to loading now. Click on add slot. Okay, what we are going to create here, I will call this one as prod. Okay, and do not clone, not required. I need existing one. Okay, take with BSK, that is the clone I need. Okay, current whatever the deployment happened that I required, so I am just click on add it. It is creating the new slot. Let's wait for a while. As of now we have completed this part. Okay, we have a GitHub repository. From GitHub repository we have created version 1. From version 1 we have like deployed in the main slot. Okay, now as part of this one I'm going to create release version 2. I have created this one. I will deploy in the production slot, and after that I will merge these two slots, then users will be able to access latest versions. Okay, let's see that one. Now slot is created. As of now Tech with PSK is the production one. Okay, now I have another slot created, that is a 0% profit. What I am going to perform here, I will click on this slot. Okay, from this slot I will create the latest version of the code. Okay, you can go into the deployment center. Okay, from deployment center again you have to select your code, GitHub, then change your provider, app service, build service. Okay, then here it is going to load it. You have to sign in. Okay, let's wait a while, it is loading. Okay, you can select your organization, Tech with BSK, and repository. It is loading. Let's wait, bakery template. Now this time my release is new version. Okay, this is my version. I'm going to save it. As soon as you have saved it, it is going to like deploy that into app service productions, not in the main slot. Another prod slot is there. In that slot it is going to like deploy it. Okay, there is no impact on, while deploying there is no impact on any user. Okay, this is keep on running, there is no issue on it. Okay, we can able to deploy that in the main slot, another slot, and we can test it our slot. Okay, this is completed. We can able to access this slot. There is a one more URL it is going to like created. This is production slot domain. Okay, we can just copy this one. You can open one more browser, you can just enter. Okay, here what it is going to get the response, we'll see. Here we are getting a little bit about coffee. This is the main URL, and this is my another slot URL. You can go to the about us. Here you can see this is demo coffee. Okay, this one is I have already this one I have tested and everything is fine, good. Now I want to swap this one into main slot, then users can able to access. Now you can go into here. Okay, there is a deployment slots. You can go here again. Okay, once you can go to here, there is a swap option is there. As soon as you have swap it, okay, click on swap. Okay, here my source is production one. This is the my production one, and target is this main one. Okay, as soon as I have start swap, once it is complete, users can able to access latest version of the changes. Okay, let's see. Let's click on start swap. Okay, let's wait a while. It will take some time to load it. Okay, once it one is completed, we can able to see the changes here. Okay, there is no user is impacted. Okay, as we are using this concept. Okay, this is all about like blue green deployment. Let's wait a while and let's show you the output latest changes. Usually will take some time. So as of now we are performing all things manually, right? So we are usually in real time will not able to use this type of manual things we are manually we are not able to run in anything. We have a pipelines will be there. Okay, by using Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions, we can able to utilize those pipelines and we can manage this swapping concept, everything we can able to use that one. Okay, everything will be automated. Okay, swapping slots completed successfully swapped. Now take with BSK is the production one. Okay, now if you can refresh the page, okay, you can see it change. Let's wait. This is the main slot. Okay, now we are going to see the changes. Okay, now you can see here, this is my latest change deployed in the production environments. Okay, in this way we have to configure our deployment slots and we can able to manage that one. Okay, this is about slotting concept and deployment center. We can able to here support different types of stacks. Okay, whether it is a Python or Java or like a .NET, anything. Okay, then Node.js, everything will support here. App service, we can able to manage that. Under settings, we have environment variables is there. If you have any like environment level, we have to manage any like a key value page you are going to manage. We can able to use these app settings, and we have any DB like DB connection things we have to enable. So by using connection strings, we can able to use it. So to authenticate any database from backend, so we can able to use this one by using add option is there. So we can able to use this one. And app settings here we have like a key value pair. So like a user ID password or like anything. So you want to use it, you can able to use app settings here. Okay, and the configuration, this all things you can explore. Okay, this is all about app service. Okay, this is by this that's it for today's session. So we successfully learned how to create and deploy application using app service. Okay, by using here we have deployed our application, and also like this is also one of the powerful PaaS service. Okay, here we don't need to manage any virtual machines, any operation systems, any scalings or any like patching activities. We don't need to manage. Microsoft will able to manage those machines. We have created this app service, right? So in the backend, there is a one virtual machine is created. Windows virtual machine is created. So we have selected Windows, right? But that virtual machine we don't have any access. Only Microsoft will manage that virtual machine. Okay. Okay, this is all. This is like a fully managed platform as a service. Okay, no need to maintain any virtual machine or operating system. Supports web apps, APIs, and backend services. Okay, these all things will support here, and also like we can able to like faster deployment. We can able to use this one. So in real world environment as well, Azure App Service is commonly used to like like enterprise web applications, REST APIs, e-commerce applications, like mobile application backends, and also like cloud native applications. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please like the video, please share your questions in comment box. I will respond to your query as soon as possible. Okay, please subscribe to Tech with BSK for more Azure DevOps, Kubernetes, Terraform, and like cloud networking tutorials as well. So in this session, we are going to see Azure Friend Door. Under Azure Friend Door, we can able to use app service as a backend machines, and we can able to see how traffic will go. That is also one of the global global load balancer, and we can see the web application firewall also it is going to support there. So we can see web application firewall how it is going to work. Okay, in the last sessions like application gateway, as I told you, right? So we can discuss it later. So in next session in friend, or we can discuss more about that. Okay, so thank you watching. So I will see you in the next video.